not issued by any central authority, making them immune to government interference or manipulation. Many cryptocurrencies run on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a vital part of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology acts as a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers, which helps ensure the legitimacy of each transaction. Cryptocurrencies are denominated in terms of virtual tokens or coins, represented by ledger entries into the system. They can be bought and sold on cryptocurrency exchanges, or mined through complex computer processing. Experts believe that blockchain and related technology will disrupt many industries, like finance and law. The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. Today, there are thousands of alternate cryptocurrencies, each with its own functions and specifications. Still, cryptocurrencies face criticism for a number of reasons, including their use in illegal activities, volatility in exchange rates, and the vulnerability of their underlying infrastructure. Bitcoin has itself experienced rapid surges and collapses in values. Further, cryptocurrencies are virtual and are not stored on a central database. This means they can be lost if the hard drive they're stored on is lost or destroyed, or if there's no backup copy of the private key or password. There's no bank or central authority to retrieve it for you. But cryptocurrencies have also been praised for their advantages. They are portable, divisible, resistant to inflation, and transparent. They also have the potential to make it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties, without the need for a trusted third party like a bank or credit card company.
A blockchain is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions, eliminating the need for a third party to process payments. Think of it as a full history of banking transactions. Blocks, or the most recent transactions being recorded, are like an individual banking statement. Each completed block is added to the chain, and another block begins, forming the constantly growing blockchain. Bitcoin isn't regulated by a central authority. Instead, its users dictate and verify transactions when one person pays another for goods or services. The completed transaction is publicly recorded into the blockchain, where it is verified by other Bitcoin users. Blockchain is seen as Bitcoin's main technological innovation. Since it provides proof of each transaction, it can review transaction histories to determine how much value a particular address owned at any time. Each computer that's connected to the Bitcoin network receives a copy of the blockchain upon joining the network. Blockchain.info provides access to the entire Bitcoin blockchain.